Doesn't it sound creepy? I just thought I'd want to share that with you guys. They're doing work down there. That's why it sounds so scary. Scary, scary. The screeching of the truck or crane or whatever it is they're doing. Little birds running across the road. Oh, I've upset the little doggies on the corner. So, talked to a bunch of the locals at the store, and nobody's been to town. Nobody's came back through, so I guess what I'm just gonna do is, I don't know. Guess I'll just drive a little bit, and then if it looks, the roads are still really icy or whatever, then I guess I'll just turn around. But I just hate wasting gas and time doing that, because you're really not going to know until, I don't know, the 30-mile marker, which is almost 20 miles. Or I could scoot on over to Christmas Valley. I mean, they have a little bit. I think they have like 300 or 500 people in that town. Fort Rock, smaller than us. So, I don't know. They have a school that's in between us, Christmas Valley, and Fort Rock, that all the kids in the whole area go to. Look at all these little ducky prints. Or bird prints. Look at him run from me. Quail? Maybe those are quail. Last night you could just hear the honking, 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 honking of the birds. At nighttime it makes me feel bad because it's so cold. I mean, look, everything turns to ice. So I can only imagine how cold they are. Oh, I'm cutting through the neighbor's yard. Okay, if there are any children watching this, it's not nice to cut through your neighbor's yard. I happen to know my neighbor, so, and I have got permission. Usually I cut through in the summertime, not so much in the winter. Or, because the park's right there. So, you know, take the kids over to the park a lot. My grandkids, by the way. And then I usually swing on the swing. I admit it. Alright, well, I don't know, I'm supposed to be doing like vlogs and stuff, and I don't even write in a diary, let alone know how to do a vlog. You know what I mean? But the only way that I'm going to be able to get better at something is unless I do something. What tracks are those? Look like deer. Oh. They're coming through here too. All right, folks. I'm going to end this. It was a short one. I should have just paused the last video. I don't know. Eventually I'll get better. I don't know what to tell you. Other than all I can do is try. So don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, share. Might want to share this video. It's not exactly great. But, you know, see you next time.